Hello guys, welcome to our new worksheet. Today we are going to continue talking about the parts of the house. Take out your notebook and copy as you see here the title, worksheet number 20, parts of the house. Also copy this chart. Numbers 1 to 12, one column of answers and one column of objects. Please keep a big space for you to be able to write a lot. Okay, in your notebook, it can be vertically. I put it here horizontally because of the space I have. Ready? Let's see an example. We're going to play a game in which you have to guess, according to the picture, what is the name of the part of the house. Okay? For example, if in the picture I see that I have the conservatory, I'm going to think of two objects I can find in the conservatory. For example, plants and water. If the next answer is bedroom, I can write laptop and books, but I cannot repeat water, plants, or laptop, okay? All of the objects have to be different. That's the challenge. Okay, let's start. Let's go with the game. Parts of the house. Can you identify correctly every place inside the house? Okay, which part of the house is this? Good job. Now think of the two objects that can be found there. Well done. Let's continue. Okay, write down the two objects that you can find there. Nice. If you don't have this part in your house, it doesn't matter. Take a look at the picture to decide which objects to write. Well done. You write down the two objects. Good. Do you have a balcony at home? Well, yes, we can call it study room or office. Good job. The backyard or garden. Nice. Think of the two objects. The two objects have to be in English, okay? Nice. The laundry room. Very well. Continue writing. Also, if you don't have this part in your house, try to imagine which two objects can we find there. Nice. The objects have to be in English. Very nice. And the last one. Write down your two objects. Nice. Good job. Okay, so to finish, please take a photo of your notebook with this complete. 2 objects per part of the house. and send it to Classroom to the assignment of worksheet number 20. Okay? I hope you had a good time. See you in class. Bye-bye.